So dear students, we are going to see about PPI, Programmable Peripheral Interface. It is also called as a Programmable Parallel Interface, very important IC, 8255. The IC number is 8255. It is a programmable device. You can reconfigure it according to the application, whatever you need. And it has a 24 pins. Till now we have studied all the 40 pin IC, 8086 and the remaining ICs, but this is only a 24 IO pins. It is having just a 24 pins, and all the pins are IO pins. It can be both accessed as input or output pins, and 3 ports. 24 pins can be grouped into 3 ports, and so each port is having 8 pins respectively, and the ports are labeled as PA, PB, and PC. So it is a TTL compatible transistor logic device, and it is having a very good DC driving capability. You can see the diagram. So it is having again it's a 40 pin IC, but 24 IO pins it has. You can see the red color one, PA0 to PA7, it is for port A. Green color, PB0 to PB7 for port B. Blue color for port C. Okay, it has only 2 address lines, A0 and A1, and 8 data lines, D0 to D7. The remaining are control signals, read, chip select, WR, and reset. Okay, so this is about the pin diagram of 8255. And so as I said, it is having a 8-bit bidirectional data bus, which is used for connecting with 8086 for data transfer. And see, whenever you have 8085, just replace as 8086, because we don't have any syllabus of 8085, only 8086 must be considered. So see, as this chip select, so if I cascaded more than one 8255 chip, so what must be selected? That can be decided using a pin called CS chip select. And read and write are 2 control operations, both are active low signal. So when you want to read from 8086, you can enable read, and write as similar as that. Only 2 pins address, it is used just for selecting the ports. As I said, 3 ports I have, port A, port B, and port C, and each port has 8 pins. So totally 24 IO pins, input output pins. So how to select a port which can be configured using A1 and A0? So if A1 and A0 is 00, port A. 01 means port B. 10 means port C, and 11 means not a port but a control register is chosen. So reset, as usual, it is used to very similar to 8086. Reset the entire device configurations. It clears the register contents. Pin A0 to PA7, bidirectional IO pin. PB0 to PB7 also. PC0 to P7, and it is for port C. But port C is having a very separate individual characterization. It can be divided into 2 4-bit group. PC0 to PC3 is lower group. PC4 to PC7 is higher group. But the remaining ports cannot be configured in such a way. So this is a block diagram. You can see group A control, group B control. Group A la port A and port C upper will come into the picture. Group B la port C lower and the entire port B will be combined and given to group B control. So port A and port C upper for group A, port B and port C lower for group B. So the center one, that's called the data bus buffer, which is used for transfer of data between 8086 and 8255 PPI. And the data bus buffer, read write control logic having the remaining control signals. Yes, so this is what we have studied already. Control signals are group A and group B control. So yeah, 2 operational modes of 8255. One is BSR mode, which is also called bit set reset mode, and the second is IO mode, input output mode. So if I want to select set or reset individual bits, that I can do by BSR mode, bit set reset mode. Only port C And yeah, so bit set reset mode, only port C will be used. Okay, when coming to IO mode, it is again categorized into three different modes: mode 0, mode 1, and mode 2. So basically two modes, BSR and IO. IO mode is again three mode 0, 1, 2. Mode 0 is otherwise called a simple IO. In that case, port A, B, and C is used only for simple transfer of data. So outputs are latched, inputs are buffered but not latched. And no handshake signals. Handshake signals are used only in mode 2. Mode 1 and 2 uses the handshake signals. So when coming from mode 1, it is input output with handshake. Mode 0 is simple IO, but this is IO with handshake. Here the outputs are transferred and the input is fetched by using a handshake signals. Handshake signals, we know that it is used for proper communication between the devices. Example for handshake signals used here is STB. STB stands for strobe, ACK, acknowledge, busy. If printer is busy, then the computer it must give I'm busy, please wait, I'm overloaded, or I'm busy in printing. Then that control signal can be given by the printer to the processor. So that is given here. Mode 2, the other name for mode 2 is bidirectional IO data transfer. You cannot only transfer but also can receive. And here only the port A, the group A is used. That is port A and port C upper. In that, port A is only used for bidirectional mode. Port C, PC3 to PC7, is used for handshaking, providing handshaking signals. So when I come for control word format, so this is for mode port 2. For bit set reset mode, control word format is this. D7 is used for bit set or reset. Okay, whether I'm going to set the bit or resetting the bit. If it is 0, then reset. 1 means set. So which bit I'm going to set or reset, that is selected by D3, D2, D1 pin. And D0 for setting and resetting the respective bits. D7, if it is 0, then it is a BSR mode. If it is 1, then it is going to be IO mode. A single control word register, but the content changes, the meaning changes literally depending on D7 bit. D7 bit 0 means it is under BSR mode. If it is 1 means it is under IO mode. Yeah. So for IO, the same as I said, D7 bit must be 1 for IO mode. And when I coming to IO mode, all the three ports can be used. So again, it is divided into group A and group B. So port C group, when I come to group A, port C upper is whether it is used for input mode or output mode, that can be chosen. And what is the mode selection? As I said, three modes are available, mode 0, 1 and 2. That is decided by the pin called D6 and D5 for group A, and just D2 for group B, because group B is not coming under the mode 2. So only two modes are available for group B. So only one bit is enough. 0 for mode 0 and 1 for mode 1. So that is all about A255 PPI. For more handshaking signals and all, just follow the PPT and the link given. Thank you.